Hi everyone, Lagos Housewife here. Today I want to show you a quick bread you can make in your air fryer. Very simple, very direct. All you actually need is flour, Greek yogurt, baking powder and salt. But I added a few things to make it healthier. Trust me for that. Oh, and by the way, the Greek yogurt is necessary. That is what replaces yeast in this bread. Yes, we are not using yeast. We're actually using Greek yogurt and baking powder to replace that. So, when you finish mixing everything, simply dust your table the way I'm doing and then knead the dough lightly. This bread should not be kneaded strongly like regular breads. If not, it will be very, very tough. The kneading is just simply to bring it together. After this, you can simply let it rest for 15 minutes, or you can just be like me and go direct. Cut it into 8 pieces, dust it with flour, roll it out into balls, and then put everything in your air fryer. At this point, you will brush it with egg. 1 egg mixed with 1 tablespoon of water. Simply brush everything because we want a glossy surface. And of course, I added sesame seed because I love the way it looks. Then set your air fryer to 160 degrees centigrade for 25 minutes. After that, all you have to do is be smelling the aroma. Once it's ready, brush it with melted butter. This will keep the surface soft. Brush it, cover it with napkin just for 2 minutes, and then you bring out your bread, put it on a rack to cool, and it's ready to eat. Very delicious. Don't worry, I'll be showing you a recipe to show what I made with it. Enjoy!